Well, I've been wanting an Elvira figure for quite a while now, and I was able to find an STL file on online, a free one, and turned out it's pretty good quality. And my friend Dario at Dario's Model Builds, I sent him the file, and he printed these two figures up for me. One's a little slightly higher than the other. There's a few little imperfections on the back where the supports were on there, but they came out pretty good. So I painted them up. I started with, it would be a few pictures at the end, I don't have a lot. I started with Stynylrez black primer, airbrushed that over the dress and the hair and the arms mostly. A little bit overspray got on the legs, so I just hand painted that with craft acrylic light flesh, Craft Smart. It's called light flesh, and I just hand painted the rest. The dagger, I just with a chrome marker and then a little bit of gold paint on the top and a red marker on for the jewel on top of that. And a small brush, I just did her eyes, a little dot of blue for her eyes and some deep red for her lips and some the white Aztec paint, just a drop on a little small brush for her mouth and her eyes. The base I just did in dark gray primer and then a wash of a black, flat black, and a little dry brushing with some light gray to give it that stone appearance. It came out pretty nice. I didn't want to try to do her nylons on her legs, make them a darker gray. I could have tried that, but because of the way it's made, it's all one piece. The back leg was hard to paint, just trying to get in there with the brush. It looks good, about as good as I could get it, and then try and trim it with the black, around the edges with the black with a brush just to clean it up. But I thought if I go over the legs with even to me a smoke or something, it might mess it up. So I decided, but well enough alone, and I'm going to say that's done. So I want to thank Dario again for printing these off. I printed them in 1/24th scale. They're about 3 inches or so tall. Let me grab a ruler here, you can see, and turn it around. So there's, if you can see that, try and get the light on it. They're under 3 inches, just under 3 inches tall. There's the 3-inch mark is there. I try not to get too much light on it because it'll glare. Get this up a little bit more though for now. I'm trying to hold the camera here with one hand, and so there's 1, 2, 3 inches. So I think that came out really nice. It's a nice little file to work with. Gives a good quality. Maybe it'd be better in a larger scale, but I just wanted the 1/24th scale or 1/25th scale for to go with my model cars for now. So again, thanks Dario for that, and I think it turned out pretty well. I just wanted to add before I close off here that I airbrushed about 3 coats of Mop and Shine, LA Totally Awesome Mop and Shine over both figures to give it a dull finish and to seal it. So I think it came out, there's a bit of a shine on some parts, but because her hair is black and her dress is black, there's not much distinction, so I just left it at that, and I sealed it up well with the Mop and Shine.